Hi guys. So with NEET PG just around the corner, wherein we are left with 10 more days, I'm here to talk about all the things that go on in our heads, what to read, what not to read, what to do, what not to do. Shall we practice more MCQs? Shall we just read the content? So I'm here to address on all these questions, and I'm here to de-stress you a bit. So before starting off, I want all of you, each and everyone who's watching this video, to take a deep breath and tell that I'll fight through this. Okay? It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to have your anxiety on the peak. It's okay right now. Okay? Now, coming to the point ki how to strategize these 10 days, because trust me on this ki these 10 days, they are very, very important to get the game right. Okay? So what I used to do was I had divided my day into two slots, a morning slot and an evening slot, wherein I used to practice questions. I used to solve ENDs from different subjects. Now, if you're an END person, you can pick up different ENDs from different subjects, because right now we are not supposed to do a subject focused study, because in the exam we are going to get 200 questions which will not come like hi, I'm from anatomy, I'm from biochemistry. No, they're going to be mixed. Okay, they're going to be from all the 19 subjects all together. So that is why we need to keep an integrated approach from now. Okay? So if you start reading at 8, like I used to get up at 7:38 and I used to be on my table within 30 minutes of getting up. So I used to be reading by 8:30 max. Okay, so the first hour of your day will go into solving MCQs. Okay, 50 MCQs. You will make a custom module of 50 mixed bag questions, wherein you will put the tags of recent NEET pattern or PYTs. Okay, I want it to be more PYT focused. I want it to be more PYT based, right? So the first hour, that is 8:30 to 9:30 or 8 to 9, whatever time suits you, you will be solving those 50 questions. The next 1 hour, you will be reviewing those questions. Now, how will you review? You have to keep your review time as less as possible. Okay, you will be going through the wrong ones first, wherein you will analyze for a bit key whether it was a recall error or was it a conceptual error. If any of this is there, you have to open up that subject ka notes. You have to keep all the 19 subject notes with you, and you have to open up that particular subject. You have to read that topic as fast as you can, register in your brain and move ahead. Okay, the correct ones you just need to read very, very superficially, just to register ki okay, so that you don't get the right ones wrong the next time. Okay, so you have to keep this review time as less as possible. Please don't go behind unheard questions or crazy questions or questions that are not expected in the exam. Please don't try to be a hero right now कि everybody, as Zainab ma'am says, कि सब उसको गलत करेंगे मैं ठीक करूँगा. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है. You just have to get well versed with the things that are commonly asked in the exam. Okay, now you're done with your question practice and your review in 2 hours. ठीक है, so 8:30 to 9:30 ये हो गया, 9:30 to 10:30 review हो गया. ठीक है, now you take a 15 minutes break and then you sit for another slot till 1. उसमें what you have to do is you have to passively revise your subject. ठीक है, now you have 10 days. Even if you revise 2 subjects in a day, you will be able to complete all of them in the next 10 days. ठीक है, for example today you decide on doing derma and surgery. ठीक है, and surgery is something which you don't have a very strong hold on. So I want you to pick up surgery first. Okay, because evening mein we are mostly drained out of energy, so we will pick up subjects that we have a stronger hold on in the evening. Okay, when we are drained basically. So in the morning you will pick up surgery, and till 1 you will be passively flipping the pages and trying to register things in your mind once again. ठीक है, ये पढ़ा है, ज़्यादा anxiety नहीं लेना है कि अरे ये याद नहीं है. It's okay, just read it once. It's okay to forget things at this point of time. It's okay to forget things till the last day of your exam. You are learning till the last day of the exam. Okay, now till 1 you've read, sir. I want you to do it like 1 major, 1 minor, or 1 major, 2 minors, as per your need, however you feel like doing. Like I've made a rough timetable ki like on 23rd you do derma surgery, on 24th you do PSM and psyche, on 25th ENT OBG, 26th ophtha and anesthesia and or anat, and then on 27th ortho micro. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके you just make a timetable like this. ठीक है, ऐसे लिख लो अपने, है ना, वही है, पेन पेपर है, आईपैड है, जो भी है, ठीक है, 10 days का लिख लो एंड जस्ट राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट कि व्हाट यू गोना रीड टुडे, ठीक है. तो आफ्टर योर मॉर्निंग स्लॉट यू विल बी कवरिंग द सब्जेक्ट, यू विल बी रीडिंग द सब्जेक्ट पैसिवली विच इज वीकर फॉर यू रिलेटिव टू द सब्जेक्ट दैट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर, ठीक है. फिर शाम में 4 to लाइक दोपहर में यू कैन डू वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, ठीक है, छोटी कॉपी पढ़ लो या फिर वट एवर सब्जेक्ट इज लेफ्ट फॉर यू वॉन्ट टू यू नो, if it's not over till 1 you can still stretch up and take that afternoon slot for it, and then you sit at 4 again to solve next 50 questions. So basically in a day you will be doing 100 questions, okay. So 4 to 5 is the next slot wherein you will be solving another set of 50 mixed bag questions, and then you will sit for review 5 to 6, ठीक है. Again, review the wrong ones first and just go through the right ones very superficially. Then from 6:15 you will sit up with the another subject. Now if you're a BTR person who has done integrated systems separately, I want you to read every system, like we have 8 systems, right? So I want you to read one system before going to sleep so that you're done in 8 days with integrated, ठीक है. उसको हम साइड कर देंगे पढ़ के, ठीक है. Now this is how your next 10 days should look like. 100 questions along with passive revision. Now a lot of you ask me कि मेगा नीट BTR करना है, छोटी कॉपी सीरीज करना है, छोटी कॉपी पढ़ना है. So I am not any copy person. I did not have छोटी copy, I did not have GT copy. I tried to make one but I failed miserably, ठीक है. तो I could not revise it, I could not even open it. So yes, you can add up mega neat BTR sessions in your 10 days ka period. That is what I also did, because you know that's a pretty quick revision of high yield points from a lot of subjects, from basically every subject, right? So you can add up that, and along with it, if you have not made any copy, you can just go through छोटी copy series once, ठीक है, वो कर सकते हो. And if you feel कि आपका सब हुआ है, सारे questions हुए हैं, तो I remember because now things have changed a bit, but मेरे time पे ma'am had taken up these 40 mini tests for clubbed subjects, so you can give those tests also. They were very helpful, and please do attend the discussion also. It's short and sweet and high yield, ठीक है, वो कर सकते हो. Now if you are a person like Ishan Awasthi in Tare Zameen Par, where nothing is making sense, everything is in air, you don't know what to do, where to start, just go on to passive video listening, ठीक है. वीडियो खोलो, कोई भी END खोलो, कोई भी डिस्कशन वीडियो खोलो, and just start listening to it. Pause the video, think of an answer, just move forward, okay. Or do just PYQs, ठीक है, if everything is haywire, it's okay, ठीक है, ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. But yeah, if you have a good concise material in your hands, then this is what you can follow. 2 sets of 50 questions in morning slot and evening slot, and the rest of the time you use for your passive revision of your content, ठीक है. Now coming to what all not to do, ठीक है, that this is very important. Now you don't have to read any new content at this point of time, because you have enough mental memory and brain picture of the things that you have already read. Please don't change your resources at this point of time. No FOMO at all. किसी दोस्त ने आके बोल दिया मैं तो यहाँ से पढ़ रहा हूँ, this is what is expected in the exam. It's okay guys, everybody has their own strategies, everybody has their own way of going through it, but you are supposed to stick to your resource that you have followed till now, okay. You have to get that mental picture right to get it there on the day of the exam, ठीक है. That is what will click on the day of the exam and not the other resource का thing. So please don't fall into FOMO right now, ठीक है. And no over aggressive revisions. एक दिन पहले एग्जाम के you don't have to decide on कि I will just go through all the BTR book at once. No, you can't do that. It might be possible for Zainab ma'am, but not for us, ठीक है. We are humans. Now so yeah, we are not going to go with over aggressive revisions at this point of time, ठीक है. आराम से करना है. Do not set on too ambitious goals, ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं करना. Don't set out very very ambitious goals. Just go on micromanaging your tasks, ठीक है. Now coming to what compiled modules to do. So cancers and staging is one thing that is very very important. You have to do that one day prior to the exam because it's volatile and it gets asked a lot, ठीक है, वो ज़रूर करना है. And apart from that, I did integrated pharma, wherein ma'am has covered pharma in 4 hours, and I did graphs का video also, ठीक है. If you're not someone who has followed BTR, if you're someone who has concised your material on your own and you have followed other प्लेटफॉर्म्स, दैट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके गाइस, ठीक है. जो भी आपने फॉलो किया अभी तक, जैसे भी कंसाइज किया, बस उसी को आपने रिवाइज करना है अलॉन्ग विद योर 50 एंड 100 50-50 का 2 स्लॉट्स का प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है. 100 क्वेश्चन, वो जिस जो प्लेटफॉर्म से जो करना है करो, ठीक है. दैट इज नॉट एनीथिंग दैट आई हैव अ से ऑन, ठीक है. And we sometimes feel very anxious on the last day, wherein we think कि अरे ये भी रहता है, वो भी रहता है. It's okay guys, क्योंकि humanly speaking it is not possible to cover everything at once, ठीक है. You have to trust your brain memory, you have to do that, you have to trust your brain with love कि ठीक है, जिस दिन एग्जाम जो क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएगा, it will just click, okay. It will actually click. Things that you've read 2 months piche, 3 months piche, they will click on the day of the exam. But for that you have to keep reading till the last day, okay. For things to actually work in your brain, things to actually make sense, you have to keep your will to survive till the last day, ठीक है. Now coming to one important thing that not a lot of people talk about is again anxiety, palpitations, like just everything going in our heads at once कि क्या होगा, बाप रे, है ना, वो restlessness that we face. Please trust me on this, it is completely normal to have all of this. You just have to keep it at bay as much as possible, just delay it, ठीक है. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो just give 20% of your brain space to it, as I always say, and keep the 80 rest of your brain space for studies. Even if you're not able to remove that thought out of your mind, be it anything, be it something from past, be it something that is, you know, nudging you constantly, it's just okay. You just give it, you know, just tell that thought ki okay, you're there, I know you will keep coming back to me in few minutes, in few seconds. It's okay, just address and just let it go. And I know it is very, very stressful, it is not a very good phase to be in, but trust me on this guys, you just have to survive for the next 10 days and it will be over in no time. You just have to give in your best, and I just want you to feel proud that you did as much as you could, okay. Just this, please promise me that you will not take anything to your heart, okay. I know that you are aiming for best results, and I really hope for each and every one of you to be at the best position possible, but trust me, this is not something to be taken very seriously, okay. This is not where our life depends, okay. At the same time, the exam is really important, yes, but please understand the fact that NEET PG is not life. After NEET PG, the life begins. You have to start your grind again in residency, and you know, it's just a lot of stuff that we'll talk about later, but trust me on this, you have to go easy on it, okay. It's just another exam of your lives. You just have to go and sit for those 3 hours and apply your brain to the maximum, okay. And just promise me that till the last day you will be putting in your maximum effort, okay. The only thing that I want from you guys is to put in your maximum, is to put in all that you can in these 10 days, because they can actually be a game changer, okay. Trust me on this, I really don't care about the results, I don't care about anything. The only thing that I care about is your well-being and your will to survive for the next 10 days, okay. That is all that you got to do right now. Try clocking in as much hours as you can. Try to take breaks in between that are very important, but don't take too long breaks, okay. So yeah, this was pretty much that I wanted to talk about, and I'm pretty sure that I will be seeing each and every one of you on the other end. And I am wishing on, you know, I'm wishing so hard and praying so hard for each and every one of you to be, you know, to get the best of your ability. And I just hope that you know, you get what you have aspired to be at. And yeah, it's a bit emotional, because I know this phase is not good. It's very stressful, and you know, you have all the palpitations, all the anxiety, but trust me guys, it will be okay. It's just a matter of another 10 days and it will be okay very, very soon, in a blink of an eye. And yeah, I wish you all the best, all the luck in the world, and just rock it, guys. You got this, ठीक है? There's this song from Kota Factory, मैं लड़ लूँगा, जो भी होगा मैं लड़ लूँगा, ठीक है? You just have to get up, tell yourself, I'll fight through this day, I'll just make this day count, I will be productive to my maximum capability, and I just got this, okay? This is the mantra that you have to repeat for the next 10 days, and all my best wishes are with you guys. So all the very best, and I'm hoping to see each and every one of you once this exam gets over. So all the best. You'll rock it. Bye.